How to fix failed authentication on Poppo Live. So if you want to fix failed authentication on your Poppo Live, then first you need to open up your Poppo Live application. Once you open up your Poppo Live, now you just need to simply go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, now you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of authentication. Tap on the tick, blue tick, and here you will have your authentication option. So you can simply go with face authentication, tap on go, and you need to enter your photo, or you need to upload a photo of yourself. If your authentication has been failed, then it might be because of you are a minor, or you are below the age of 18, or you don't have enough light, or you've covered your eye. So make sure that you have not covered your eye, and you need to keep enough lighting, and you should be above the age of 18. And then you need to upload a clear photo of yourself first, and then tap on start the certificate, and you'll be able to authenticate on your Poppo Live. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that your app is up to date. Go with your Play Store and make sure that your app doesn't have any updates, because if it has any updates, then go with update and update your application. Once you've updated, simply tap and hold on to your application, and then go with app info and go with storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. And once you've done that, now you need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button and restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your failed authentication on your Poppo Live. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.